Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some book shoot ideas by using your mobile phone. For that I have been taken a cloth, any kind of cloth, it's okay. Then I taken a book. Then I made it decor by using flowers and one floating candle. You can make it more attractive by keeping a live flower over your book and some old long chains. And as usual in all shoot you can see the mug and some petite pot, and this how it looks now. You can see this was a mobile shoot. By using different filter you can make it even more attractive. This is the one photo where I lied down and I took a photo by using a selfie stick, and this is the one you can take yourself by keeping phone or your mobile by one side. Guys, I'm just giving an idea such that you can use your cell phone and you can click your photo by yourself. To look even more better you can use different filter or some kind of glittery shades or some candles or lightning. You can see how attractive it looks. Now guys, you can make like short video as such. Guys, in this video I just gave an idea that how you can self shoot your photos in your home by clicking some photos and showing you how you can do that in your home. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.